Hello everyone, this is Tim from Discovering the High Life, and today we are going to do some flying with the DJI Avata. I've upgraded the propellers to these 3 prop blades, and I put some little bumpers on. Looks pretty slick. Anyway, we got a volunteer here, Lucas. He's got an e-bike that goes 21 miles an hour, and we're going to chase him around and see how we do. Practice doing some following in sport mode. So follow along, let's check it out. All right, we'll get this thing going. I'll put it out here away from the grass. I forgot my little
I'm right here just right now.
yeah, I forgot my little pad for it, but that's all right.
Stop immediately, okay?
Make sure we are in sport mode. Yep, we're in sport mode. Okay, now I'm gonna go sit down. I gotta make sure I hit record. Okay, I am recording. 49 seconds in. Battery life looks good, 91%. Yeah, this is pretty fun. So I forgot that I was recording here so that you guys can hear me, but anyway, I'm just trying to I don't want to stay away from people. I'm just trying to get some low angles, some high angles. I got it in sport mode right now, so whoa, this is pretty fun. Clip some grass there, it's okay. But what I want to do is I want to try to, whoa, there's a person, not fly over people. This is pretty fun. See if I can kind of regroup here and start over. And I'm actually going to stop for a second because it's so bright. I want to adjust my camera settings a little bit. Okay, that cornering was a little rough there. Well, I think I kind of need to maybe just change some of the settings, but this is pretty smooth overall. It's getting, whoa, getting better. I really like these low angle shots, are fun. I'm just afraid I'm going to clip the pavement eventually. Oh, he's wanting me to get alongside him more. I don't want to fly. I'm having a hard time, like, if I do a thing where, like, I fly sideways, I could try that, but, like, it's kind of hard. Like, he's trying to ask me to do one of these tracking shots, like, sideways. I'm just afraid that I'm just going to bash it when I do that. Like that. I almost went straight into the ground. There's also people around here, so. Whoa, this is fun, though. One of my sticks felt loose there. Let's go through the trees a little bit. I look like a out of control squirrel doing that. How much battery do I have left? Whoa. I can hear myself coming around. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to go off to the side now. Burn through the trees. He's coming back to me now.
Hey, Papa landed.
Hold on, I'm going to try and do a circle around you first.
I can take you out of the air. Hey, man. Hey, can I take you out of the air? Can I take it? Oh, my God. You just dropped that thing almost.
All right. Good job. Okay, I guess we're gonna try one more run where we fly sideways. We'll see how we can do practice flying sideways. And Lucas is gonna go a little bit slower for us to try and make it easier. So let's see what we can come up with here. There we go. We got 50% battery. We've got about 10 more minutes on the card. So first, I'm gonna try and get going straight. And then, like, basically when it hits this corner up here, I'm gonna try and go sideways. It's really hard. I don't want to bash into him. But I'm trying to do like a more of like a side profile view. That's not good. I was flying it backwards, almost got it into a tree. Yeah, if I look around here, I mean, I should probably try this in a more open field if I want to get these low sideways shots, because basically, like, when I'm flying sideways like this, I have a chance of like going into the grass, and it's just super difficult. Like, you can see I'm having a hard time with that. Let's see if I can practice doing a little bit more. It's like so much easier with a camera drone, because I could just fly straight and like swing the camera that way. But this way, I kind of actually, if I want this perspective, I've literally got to like fly sideways, but I don't want to go into these trees up here. So maybe. Hit the brake there. Yeah, it's too hard for me to fly sideways for a long period of time. I mean, if I could just do it now, let's see, like, oh, it's not going to maintain its pitch very well. I mean, it is a cool angle, trying to chase him like over and through all this stuff. But I'm just gonna go back to my regular following. Let's see how low I can get. Okay, but ride slowly this time.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you good?
Yeah.
How's the camera look? Bubba. Nice. What'd you do? What'd you do? How'd you stop it? Did it stop by itself?
I killed the motors, and I got a thing that said impact detected.
No, it's all great.
All great.
Like, want to see where it landed? It landed like right. Literally, it was like stuck right in here like that. Nice.
So, we had our first drone crash.
Yeah.
All right. We still got a little bit of life left, but that's why we're practicing.
Yeah, that's literally why we got all the guards.
Yep.
Hi, did it fly good?
Still good.
Okay. You want to try again?
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna put it in normal mode this time.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna be going really slow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go this slow. Is that good?
Oh, actually, I've only got 20% battery.
Oh no. Here's different battery.
Yeah.
Can I take it? Can I take it out of the air?